Hi, this is Lisa from City Vape in Leechburg and wanted to let you know that we are doing pre-orders this week and next for the Smok Rolo badge. Wanted to walk you through what you can expect if you were to pre-order a Smok Rolo badge. Smok brand you've come to love. What you get? This is the box. Let me tell you first about the badge. It's a cartridge system. You literally pop it on. That's it. It's a lot heavier than some of the other cartridge systems that are small, like the Aspire Breeze. Let me walk you through what else you get. You get this great little needle bottle. You just put in your e-juice of your choice in it, and it has a tip to allow you to easily fill the Smok badge. I think it's a 1.8 capacity fill. It has a battery life of about 200 puffs. You come with an extra cartridge, which is really nice because you can get a second flavor. Put both your vape juices that you like in. You can switch back and forth. Classic are USB charge. So far, the colors come in the Prism, which is like a rainbow iridescent. We have blue, gold, and then I have the black. If you look in here, you literally just flip this up with the needle. And fill. Here's the insides. Pop it on. Very durable, no drip. Now, here's the one thing that I absolutely love about this. This is actually just a little icon here. This is a manual draw. This is no button, no fire button. Clouds are not amazing, but the flavor is really true to the actual flavor. I've used this particular liquid out of many devices. Very true to the flavor. Very easy to use, very durable. And the battery, you can actually feel the quality of it. So the taste is good, capacity is good, the feel is good, the look is awesome. Come in this week, pre-order one.